Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change your password on Genshin Impact. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing, open up your web browser and then on the search box type in the link that is account.hoyover.com. In case if you haven't logged into your account, then you need to make sure that you're logged in. Once you type in the link, you might be asked to log in once again. So you'll need to provide your login information that includes entering your username, email or phone number and a password. And once you've done that, you'll be directed to account management page. And on this interface in the right hand side corner, you'll be able to see your account info. So in order to change your password, you need to click on account security from the left hand side bar. So right in between there is an option as change password, so click on switch. So for the verification or a security purpose, you'll need to enter in the verification code. So for that, click on send. Now you'll need to open up your email and then check for the verification code. See, as soon as you open the email, there is the verification code. Now copy the verification code and then paste in right over here. Now you'll get to set a new password. So make sure to create a strong one. And for the confirmation, you will be asked to type in twice. And then click on confirm once you're done with the password. So as soon as you change your password, you'll be logged out of all the devices that you're logged in. So you'll need to log in using your new login credential. So in order to log in, type in your email or your username and the newly created password and then click on login. Once you do that, you've successfully logged in as well as changed your password. Now if you're considering to delete your Genshin Impact account, then you'll not be able to do it if you have changed your password recently. So before deleting your account, you should not make any changes in your account. Only then you'll be able to delete your account. So that is how you can change password on a Genshin Impact account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.